Welcome. If you want to set up alarm clock in your Niteo Tools Titan, for the first you have to go for your clock application on the smartphone. So let me just open the menu. Here we are with the clock, and right now we have to move right here for the alarm, and here we got the two default alarms, so we can activate one of them. When we tap right here, we got the list when we can set up the repeat of the alarm. We can also set the days. We can activate the vibration, change the ringtone, and also add the label. And after that you can just scroll it one more time and just close this quick list. And as you can see, that's how we can activate and adjust alarm clock on your Niteo Tools Titan. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.